Okay guys, so that is it for this hair review. I like the color. I think the color just looks really pretty. I like the curls. They're not very tight or very loose, just the perfect wavy curls. So this is the OUTRE Everywear lace front wig, and this is the style Every 12, and the color is DR2 slash hazelnut. So it's that nice brown, almost ombre with color 2 right here, and then ombre to hazelnut. So this would be a great like fall color, but I really wanted to try it right now. So yeah, it comes in a variety of colors as well and styles. For this Everywear line, it comes with different styles and different colors. So yes, you guys let me know what you think down below. That is basically it for the install. The curls are really pretty, and look at that. Like, I feel like it just bounces back right there. So it's like it's set, it's ready to go. This is like that everyday wig that you don't have to do much. Like you guys saw, I didn't do the powder thing. I just wanted to do the bare minimum for this wig. And yes, if you want to do more, please go ahead and do that. Pluck it, put foundation, whatever works for you. Please hit that subscribe button to support me and my channel. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Let me know you like it, and of course comment below your thoughts about this hair on me, the color, if you've tried it before, and so on and so forth. I will see you guys in my next video.